Hi there, I'm Tanya and you're watching Learn with Ears. So today we're looking at how to use gonna. Okay, gonna. Now let's see what is gonna. Gonna is a contracted form of going to. It is spoken language and only appropriate in informal conversation. So gonna is the contracted form of going to. Okay. Now we are going to talk about these reductions in positive and negative way. Okay, so let's see first positive. First sentence is I'm gonna go for shopping. Okay, I'm gonna go for shopping. Next, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I'm gonna read a book. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna buy a car this month. Okay, gonna is a contracted form, short form of going to, right? Now, what if we want to use this in a negative way? Now, let's see negative sentences also. So, the first sentence is I'm not gonna go for shopping. Positive sentence is I'm gonna go for shopping, and negative sentence is I'm not gonna go for shopping. Next, I'm not gonna use my phone. I'm not gonna call him. I'm not gonna waste water. I'm not gonna disturb you. Okay, so these are positive sentences and these are negative sentences with gonna, which is the contracted form of going to. So that's it for the day. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching.